Hi, my name is Harish Vaidyanathan. I run the ISV business for Microsoft in India. ISV is actually a very significant part of our business. In fact, our ISV roots go back, to the genesis of Windows about 30 odd years ago. And in the time that we've been in India, ISVs have been really, really significant. I'm pretty much allowed to say that 1/3 of our business actually comes from ISVs. And I think the whole idea of having an awards or a recognition for ISVs is a pretty good idea.
Hi, I am Jatin Sindhi. I'm managing the SAP HANA Cloud Platform Ecosystem and Alliances business in India as a part of Asia Pacific and Japan. So I think such kind of events are very important, wherein the partners are getting recognized for the efforts they are putting in the industry and which help them to transform and drive innovation for future. Good luck.
I'm Vats Rao, the country leader for HP Smart Cities and CTO for Technology Services at HP. Institutional awards such as these provide the impetus for ISVs to do beyond their best. In these exciting times when there's an opportunity for everybody to actually bring out the best of software solutions, these awards provide an opportunity for the audience, for people to separate the best from the rest.
I'm Ganesh Narayan. I am from EMC. I manage the channel partners for South. I think in the last few years, if you see the whole evolution of ISV in India, it started with firstly a lot of multinational companies with the large ISVs coming into India. Then we had a lot of homegrown ISVs which are coming into the country. Now in the last few years, I think there's a lot of ISVs who are actually originating in India now, who are catering to a lot of verticals and working very closely with the customers and channel partners. So an institutional award like this would mean recognizing the right ISVs, their contribution to the whole ecosystem, to the customers and the specific verticals, and identifying them and giving them the awards would also motivate them, would give them the recognition, and would also encourage a lot of other ISVs to come and work closely in the ecosystem and contribute a lot to the overall IT industry in India.
I'm Yashpal Negi. I run the ISV business for Agim India. It's a great platform for the ecosystem partner, and the way they are leading the transformation way and making them very critical to the business, the way we do business. So I think it's a great initiative, and we look forward to have this awards, multiple such awards in multiple cities.
I'm Lloyd Musi, and I lead the ISV and the strategic alliances for VMware India. If you look at the ISV community, I think this is the first time you guys are doing it. So it definitely means a lot to this particular community. The reason being is that everything from the infrastructure to the software revolves around that. So I think it's pretty good that you're going ahead and creating such an opportunity for independent software vendors to come together and get an award and get recognized as such a
I'm Vijay Sagar from Triance. I head the client relationships for India. I think plus whatever plan they have right now and whatever is happening, I think it's awesome. Given that Triance is in the pipeline to take an award, I think it makes it even more sweet for us. Nice. It's something that we look forward to see. At least in most of the major cities, a lot of product companies coming up in the cloud space, and I think this is a good start.
My name is Dr. Rishi Bhatnagar. I am the president for Aries Communication India, and I am also the chairperson for IET India IoT panel. Getting this award is really an encouragement for our thought that we decided that we're going to go social and help the society with our technology before going for any kind of business. And getting recognized is really making us feel very encouraged, and we are very thankful for the company, for the team to organize this award for us. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Mohan Ram. I take care of partnerships at DigitalOcean. We're an infrastructure as a service provider. We've just entered the Indian market and we've set up a data center here in Bangalore. I think the ISV community has been around for a while. I think we need institutionalized award events like this to kind of recognize the great work that some of these ISVs are doing. And I think what's also great is that startups are also being recognized as part of this evening. So congratulations on the first edition and looking forward to the next couple of editions.
This is Professor Rajat Muna, Director General of CDAC. I have been present here today for ISV Awards. and I wish all the awardees a great success. This is the opportunity, especially in the coming world of digital India. An award like this would actually provide a very, very interesting motivation for companies to indulge into digital India and bring our lives into digital domain.